Ayva Remote is the first app that allows true live control of home-built multi-axis strokers over the internet. What sets it apart is the ability to actually feel the nuance of the other person's touch. Unlike some remote control apps for other toys, where users can only remotely change the speed or type of patterns that are otherwise automated, users can actually perform the strokes themselves, using a simple interface with a graphical representation of the device. This allows for a truly immersive, interactive, and amazingly intimate remote sexual experience. So how do you get stroked? First, make sure you sign up on So Writes Paradox Patreon in the subscriber tier. This will give you unlimited access to Ayva Remote. After you've signed up, go to remote.avasoftware.io. Click Login with Patreon. When redirected to Patreon, click Allow. This just gives permission to connect to your Patreon account and confirm that you are a subscriber. You will then be redirected back to the room creation screen. A room is an anonymous, private, temporary digital space where you can give control of your device to whomever you like. Enter a username you'd like to use for the session and click Create Room. This will give you a link you can copy and share with the person you want to give you pleasure. Click Enter to start the session. Welcome to your new room. While we wait for our partner to join, let's take a look around. In the middle, you'll find the main controls. You can play with these even when your device is not connected. Click inside the purple box to move the device. You can stroke up and down or side to side. And of course both. In fact, circular movements can be particularly pleasurable. Click to deactivate control. The default mode is for side-to-side movements to perform a twist motion, but this can be changed with the controls below. The other two modes are roll and pitch. Let's try roll. Now pitch. Let's just play for a little bit. As you can see, we can get really creative with our movements. These are the same controls that your partner will have when they join the room, but they'll have the benefit of a touchscreen if they join from a tablet or mobile device, which will make their movements more organic. Okay, let's connect to our actual device. In the top left corner, you'll see Device Setup. Here, you can change the range of motion for each axis to your liking and view the connection type. Currently, only serial connections are supported, but other types are under development. Click the Connection button. Choose the port your device is connected to, and click Connect. Okay, the device is now connected and all motion will be output to the actual stroker, as shown in this example. Alright, let's connect with our partner. Send the private link generated when you created the room to the person you want to stroke you. This will always be in the form of remote.avasoftware.io/room/roomid. A room link is temporary and will expire after 1 hour of inactivity. Let's simulate our partner connecting from an iPhone. Your partner will be prompted to enter their username for the session. Once they submit, back in our room we'll get a prompt that someone would like to join. Click Allow. We're now connected and ready to play with our partner. If you like, you can use the chat in the lower right corner to communicate. Okay, To give your partner control, click the Give Control button. Your partner is now in control. The color of the control box has changed, and there is now a purple guide dot to allow you to see your partner's movements. Let's check out the view from your partner's iPhone. Back in your room, you can take back control anytime you like. This is useful for showing your partner how you'd like to be stroked, and I'm sure your partner will enjoy watching you stroke yourself as well. Your partner can only take control when you explicitly give it. That's basically it. Continue until you achieve maximum pleasure. Ayva Remote can run in the background in another tab, browser, or other device entirely while you use your favorite video calling app, be it Zoom, Google Meet, Skype, or any cam site. For your convenience, you can find a link to the providers section from the home page. These are people who have experience using Ayva Remote and would be positively thrilled to give you pleasure. If you encounter any issues or simply want to give us feedback, click the support link from the homepage. We'd love to hear from you. As always, happy stroking.